Loosely coupled, highly cohesive. That's the blueprint for micro-agent boundaries. And it simply follows Constantine's law, which stated that a structure is stable when cohesion is strong and coupling is low. But what is coupling? Coupling refers to the relationship between components across different boundaries, or in this case, different agents. For example, low coupling means that a change in your speech recognition agent does not affect your sentiment analysis agent. On the other hand, cohesion applies to the relationship within a boundary, like how unified the functions are. A great saying about cohesion is that the code that changes together stays together. So if you have a customer feedback agent, it handles all logic related to customer feedback, and that alone, but it does it really, really well. Now, you may have noticed that these principles are the same with microservices. The difference is that low coupling can be achieved easier with microagent compared to microservices. And that's because AI microagents usually comes with the power of natural language processing. So it can make sense of small changes in schema without having to update the contract, making it less susceptible to disruptions. A simple example is that if you misspell the property or you want to make that property name plural, in microservices, you have to update the contracts of all services that are reliant to that. But in microagents, they can simply make sense of the change that you made without having to update the contracts as long as the communication protocol on that contract is still followed. So does this make microagents better than microservices? Of course not. It's always case-to-case basis. And as my favorite software architect says, it's about trade-offs, trade-offs, trade-offs. Therefore, always try to find the right balance of needs when designing software architecture. And in this AI microagent series, we're going to see more of that in play with cohesion and coupling as we study and experiment more.